Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Karishma Yadav.
How are you, Karishma?
I am fine.
Well, Karishma, what do you do?
I am housewife and as well as learning English.
Oh, wow, that sounds great.
Thank you.
Karishma, what do you do in your spare time?
I like reading books and listening music.
Do you like to watch any movies?
Yes, I like.
So, which type of movies you like to watch?
I like to watch South Indian movie
Why?
because they have good story and even we can with our family.
So, Karishma, who is your favorite actor in South Indian movies?
My favorite actors Allu Arjun and Prakash Raj.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak two languages, Hindi and English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color navy blue.
Karishma, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat spicy food.
How many siblings do you have?
I have three sisters and one brother.
How many members in your family?
There are 7 members in my family.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have 2 dogs.
Karishma, please tell me, why are you learning English?
That's a great question. I am learning English because I want to be a good speaker.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
Thank you so much.
So, what do you do to learn English?
I read book, watch English content and talk with my friend.
That's a wonderful effort.
Thank you.
So please tell me, how much hours do you spend time to learn English?
Daily I spend 2 hours to learn English.
Oh, amazing.
Friends, if you like my effort, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.